development of interactive learning media in online-based learning. And my supporting lecturer is Memratna Purwanti SPD MPD and Miss Wulan Aulia Aziza MPD. Introduction. According to Slometer 2003, learning is a mental and physical activity to get a change in behavior as a result of individual experience in interactive with an environment involving cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspect. In learning, students find out what they did know before so that they know. Cited by Ruth Loeffler, that learning media is one of the teaching aids for teachers to deliver teaching and insert student attention in the learning process. Discrete learning is an institution-based formal education where learning groups are separating and a communication system is used in interacting. Distance learning implementation can make students have skill and have greater opportunity to interact. Distance learning is very demanding on the creativity and tenacity of teachers in using information technology. In the learning process, the quality of the learning process can be enhanced by providing teaching material using audiovisual media for students. Audiovisual media in the form of video can provide understanding to students as well as provide physiological effect on the presence of the teacher in the learning process. Method. The method used in the research is descriptive, qualitative, and diffusion. In the descriptive qualitative, the data collection and data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. In data collection and subject, teacher at SMAN 7 Magelang and SMPN 11 Magelang. And then primary data is done by observing, and secondary data obtained through literature students from various literature. And the last, training on making teaching material using PowerPoint and its recorder application. 3. Result and discussion. Parents of the student also have difficulty in teaching their children because not all subject matter is understood by parents of students. Teachers who have a professional attitude have a big influence on the success of students of absorbing information of subject matter. Implementation of community service in the two service partners, namely is SMPN 7 and SMPN 11 Magelang City in the period June and Agustus is 2020. The training was carried out classically with 15 and 18 teacher participants in each activity session. The detail of implementation of the activity, namely SMPN 7 Magelang City, will held on Wednesday in July 29 and 2020, which took place at the computer laboratory of SMPN 7 Magelang City. Participants consisted of 32 teachers, then divided into two classes. Implementation of service activity at SMPN 11 Magelang City on Thursday, August 13, 2020 at the computer laboratory of SMPN 11 Magelang City. Participants consisted of 35 teachers and will divided into two classes. All teachers is both school, we are enthusiastic and participating in the training activity as evidenced by all teachers participating from the beginning to the end of the implementation. And then the objective of service activity can be achieved, namely A. Teacher gain knowledge related to the manufacture of the teaching material using information technology-based learning and the internet. And B. Teacher are able to make learning video as teaching material using information technology-based media and the internet. And then the two final objective of the activity can be categorized as successful achieved. This is based on the result of feedback or evaluation of activity by participant totaling is 67 people. Okay, in the process of designing learning media, there are several steps that must be considered, namely 1. Media must be designed as simple as possible so that it is clear and easily understood by students. And 2. Media should be designed according to the subject to be taught. And 3. Media should be designed not to complicate and not make children confused. And 4. Media should be designed with simple and easily available material. And the last, in the 5, media can be designed in the form of model, pictures, structured card, and so on. And the last, conclusion and limitation. With a pandemic like this, for sure every aspect of education will be disturbed or hindered in implementation. The example is in the aspect of learning, which usually done face-to-face at PANS and now done online, and this will make overwhelming for the teacher and of course student. For exciting observation to help student and teacher in learning aspect, then we make media interactive learning or MTA. Expensive learning media, the interactive can help student and teacher in the delivery of an understanding of learning material. And then use learning media, especially those based on the information technology and the internet, have become the main need when the teacher implementation distance learning. Training focus carried out by the Tidar University Community Service Team at SMPN 7 and 11 City of Magelang is training for making learning media in the form of video learning with PowerPoint and X recorder, and creating animation using PowerPoint. The focus of the training, the limitation of teacher reader, limitation media result, and the limitation of result that are barrier for teacher to use, and the development of learning media can be overcome. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.